Hi Barb, my name's Christian Renna with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence and in turn make some more money. So three things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. First of all, you're a realtor. We got your information through Facebook. My wife posted an ad and you said that you were looking for some tips. And so here they are. One thing I want to point out, you do show that you're a realtor, which is cool. So I'm glad to see that. A lot of realtors, they'll actually put under their name, they'll put like realtor, or they'll do like a hyphen realtor just to make it known even more that you're a realtor, so that when people are scrolling through, they'll go, oh, she's a realtor. Okay, she's in my area. We'll find her that way. So that's one thing. That's one little tidbit. But other than that, you do show you're a realtor, so I like to see that. Congratulations on that. So back to the good stuff. It looks like your website is just the champagne.yourworkoffice.com. So it looks like you don't actually have your own website, which obviously I would highly recommend getting one. They're rather inexpensive, and or you can build them yourself. But this is the one that you have provided for you through Keller Williams. But the real question is, how many leads are coming through this website to you? So yes, they find this, they come down here, and they're looking there, and they got this, but you're not anywhere. And so where are you, and how are they finding you, and are they finding you, and are you getting money and leads from this website? So when you do decide to get your own website, there's a couple things you want to just keep in mind: that content is king in the eyes of Google and search engines. And the more content you have, the better. The thing to keep in mind is that content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the photos and how the photos are saved. Especially in real estate website, photos are so very important. You're going to have hundreds of photos on your website with the IDX feed and this and that. And how they're saved matters, even down to the size. So you want to make sure, a lot of times when we upload photos to a website or anywhere on the computer, it will create its own file name, and usually it's just random letters and numbers. Well, that's no good. You're going to want to delete that, and you're going to want to create valuable content in there that these search engines are going to read to help bring value. Very important when doing your website. So keep that in mind. But you do have one through Keller Williams, so I don't know that this is necessarily yours, but you do have the ability to let people know, hey, this is a website you can go to find houses. I just hope they're not picking other realtors when they find, this website. Because I'm sure there's a page over here that says, meet our realtors or something like that. But either way, next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. And that would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher you're going to rank in this map pack here. So as you can see, I typed in Champaign, Illinois Realtors. And we have Keller Williams Realty, the Real Estate Center of Illinois. That's your brokerage. They are in the #1 position. And then we got Champaign County, Remax Realty Associates. So again, they are in the #1 position, but are you getting leads from that? That's the key question. Another thing I want to point out is that even though they are in the first position of the map pack, the website's actually not on the main page at all. So we have Remax, even Ryan Dallas Real Estate. So he's even above Keller Williams. That goes to show you that when done properly, a website can actually can rank without having millions of dollars from Keller Williams nationwide. This guy right here, Ryan Dallas, he's doing it. He's in the 7th position for Champaign, Illinois, even above Keller Williams. So great to know you can do that as well. The other thing I want to point out is that there's actually individual realtors that have Google My Business pages. So obviously, I would highly suggest you getting one. We got Darnell Cox, obviously Ryan Dallas here again, Joel Ward, Belt Jean. So we have a bunch of them. So for this video, I used Marty Carlson, Remax Realty Associates. So you can have one of your own, even if you're not a broker. I don't know if you're trying to expand out, own your own brokerage, or if you're just, happy with where you're at now. Either way, whether you have your broker's license or not, you can have a Google My Business page. So I would highly suggest getting one. This is what it's going to look like. A couple things I want to point out. We recommend 25 reviews. So Marty has 3. Obviously, you want to beat your competition. So if Marty has 3, you're going to want 4, but we do recommend 25. So very important there. You got your address, your hours, your phone. I like to see people put their website down in the appointment section as well, because it just gives you more exposure. So once you get that website, and then next is these photos. So photos are so very important. As you can see, Marty here has one photo, and this is the Google Drive-By, and it doesn't really provide much value. So this photo doesn't count. We want to see 10 photos. So we want 10 photos, and then again, make sure that you save those photos with good content, the right way, the right size. That way, it'll be picked up and bring the most value to the world, and in turn the most value to you. So do your homework, and then just, like I said, 10 photos, 25 reviews, and this is what it's going to look like. The last thing is backlinks. And what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your URL is at. So anywhere that your domain can be at. So once maybe you do, BartGallivan.com, maybe, for example, or, Barb Gallivan, KellerWilliams.com, whatever you want it to be. When you put that somewhere, that's going to give you a backlink. And the thing to remember is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant and sites that are not spammy, because if it's coming from an irrelevant site that's spammy, it's going to harm you. As you can see, this Keller Williams website has 5 backlinks from 4 referring domains. But yet their UR is only a 13 out of 100. So 13 out of 100, very low. I don't think that this website's bringing you max value. I don't think you're getting many leads from this website. And if I'm wrong, then so be it. But you're going to want to make sure you get your backlinks from reputable sites that aren't spammy. So keep that in mind. And other than that, I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business, to bring you some leads and in turn money this upcoming season and for the rest of your life. And so if you have any questions or comments, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.